How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. Blurring parts of a video in CapCut can be a great way to hide sensitive information, obscure faces, or simply draw attention to a specific part of your footage. Here's a detailed guide on how to accomplish this. Launch the CapCut application on your device. This guide is applicable for both iOS and Android platforms. Tap on the Import option to select the video you wish to edit. For this tutorial, we'll be using a car video with the intent to blur the license plates. Tap on the Effects option at the bottom of the screen. Choose Video Effects, then navigate to the Lens section to find the blur effect. If the Lens section doesn't have it, browse through other sections under Video Effects until you find the blur effect. Tap on the blur effect to apply it to your entire video. This effect will now be added to your timeline. Drag the blur effect across the whole video or just the specific section you want to blur. Tap on the Overlay button and add the same video again as an overlay. This might appear smaller than the frame size, so zoom in slightly for a perfect fit. With the second video layer selected, scroll to find and tap on the mask option. A menu with various mask shapes will appear. For blurring specific parts like license plates, circle or rectangle masks are ideal. Select the shape that fits your need for this example. I'll use a rectangle mask. Tap on the invert button to ensure only the selected area is blurred. Drag the corners of the mask to adjust its size and shape according to the area you wish to blur. If your video subject moves, you'll need to add keyframes to make the mask follow the movement. Tap the keyframe button at the beginning of your video, then advance a few frames, reposition the mask as needed, and tap Done. Once you've added all necessary keyframes and the mask follows the object accurately, review your video to ensure the blur effect covers the intended area throughout the video. And that's how you blur a part of a video in CapCut. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one.